To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Stop comparing yourself. Flowers are pretty and so are sunsets, and they look nothing alike. Choose every day to forgive yourself. You are human, flawed, and most of all worthy of love. Love yourself first and everything else falls into line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. Don't forget to tell yourself positive things daily. You must love yourself internally to glow externally. Self-confidence is a power. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. You are unique. No one ever existed or ever will exist exactly like you. God brought you into existence at this precise time, in history, in a precise location. You are not a mistake. You are a potential masterpiece in which God wants to reveal His power and glory and love and creativity. You were created in the image of God.